Well, I'm just sitting out on a small practice hike because I'm off to going to do my Mittagong walk next week. So I thought I'd just get out and see how my pack is feeling, see if it's not too heavy, and yeah, just make sure I'm comfortable with the weight and that my shoes are all doing okay. So yeah, it's so where I'm at now is at the just at Wolli Creek, and this is like a little track. It's only a short walk, but it follows the basically like the rail corridor between, I think, Bexley North and I think it's Torella stations. So I'm just going to walk up to one end and then come back. So yeah, it should be a nice little walk. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. So we shall see how we go. I just had to take my jacket off. It was getting pretty warm, so it's kind of cool this morning. But once you start walking, it doesn't take long to start warming up. Just coming out to an opening now. There's been a few people across here already. You can tell from the footsteps in the dew. All the early morning walkers, dog walkers, I suppose. Yeah, so as I was saying before, I'm heading off to Mittagong next week, and just going to do a bit of a walk down there. So hopefully the weather's nice. It was pretty nice today. It's cool, but it's sunny and not raining. So I'm looking forward to yeah, doing my walk next week. Posts I'm following. This is I think it's called the Twin Valley Track. So that's, I think it's the valley of Wolli Creek and whatever the other river is up past Torella or Tempe. I'll be going to, starting at Mittagong, walking along the Boxvale track, and then following, there's like a big incline that you go down apparently. Which I think was an old mining thing. And then from there I'll follow the creek around to 40-foot Falls, and I'll probably just stay overnight somewhere around there. Hopefully I can get my hammock set up. The other thing I'm doing today is I'm testing using my GoPro, because the audio on the GoPro is not very good, as most people with GoPros know. So I've been playing around with the idea of recording the audio on my phone, hence this little microphone thing here. And then I'll just sort of stitch that up when I'm editing the video later on. So I'll be interested to see how the audio quality goes recording it this way versus the way I normally do it. Nice little creek. Well, I'm back at the start now. I've been all the way to one end and now I'm back at Bexley North. Time for coffee. Okay, see you later. Bye bye.